Hi friends, I'm here with this brand new item I just got from Amazon. I'm very excited to share this with all of you here. I've got the Cook Camp single burner stove here. This is going to be so cool for all of your outdoor cooking needs, whether you're camping, RVing, you're doing a turkey during the holidays, shrimp boil, crab boil, picnicking, whatever you want to do. This is going to be an excellent item for all of your outdoor cooking needs. Super easy to transport, pretty lightweight, very easy to assemble the hose to the tank. This is already put together, so there's really nothing you need to build. It does come with a CSA listed regulator here and a 4-foot hose. This is super easy to attach to your camp stove here. Simply just screw it on, and you can just do this hand tight. There is a way to check for leaks too. You can use soapy water and just check for bubbles. Then you're just simply going to attach this end here to your propane tank. You want to make sure you've got fuel in your tank, FYI. And then simply just turn on your propane tank, turn on the regulator here. Voila. All right, I wanted to give you guys an up close look here. So you just turn this on here, you can hear the fuel, and then you light it, and now you're cooking. Really excited about this item. I know you guys are gonna love it. Head on over to Amazon, grab the Cook Camp single burner camp stove for yourself. Thanks.